Hi guys, let's understand about text table in Tableau. So text table is the first chart in Tableau. So if you go to show me option and click, this is the text table. Text table we have require one or more dimension, one or more measures. So let's create a text table. First of all, I drag here category to our rows and cells to our text. So here the text table is created. This is a simple text table. If I add more number of dimension here, so this is the dimension we have. So it is bifurcated into subcategory wise. So you have category here and we have subcategory here. And if I add any one more part in the column cell, this is also created on the basis of region wise. So from this view you are able to understand. So furnitures has 5 subcategory, four subcategory, and they have different region wise sales. So in this case we are able to view here the region wise sales, and also bookcases you have to understand what is the region wise sales for the south, east and central and west also. So this is all about your text table. If I want to format it, the text table, you also format it. Right click here, format, and change the size here. So increase the size here only. So I increase the size to 12. So here you are able to view properly. If I add more part into our color part in the marks, so I add here the region to this part. So this is converted into different color wise. So I want to show the total on the basis of central, east, south, and total on the basis of bookcases, chair and furniture. I go to analytics tabs and click here the totals. There are totals of this both part is visible. For this bookcases, what is the total, and chairs, what is the total, and what is the total for the central region, what is the total for the east region, what is the total for this south region, what is the total for west region. In this way we are creating your text table in Tableau.